Hello, everybody. Here's me on the picture, and my name is Pat Bell. I graduated from South Dakota State University, and it happened in the year 2016. I'm an international student originally from Russia, and I'm holding my Russian flag in here. I used to work as the community assistant on campus, and here's our group of people, incredible people. Uh, I really like to enjoy to hang out with my friends, having a great time, and trying different kinds of foods from all over the world. I like traveling. Please do not pay attention to what I'm holding in my right hand. I was on vacation. This picture summarizes my two favorite hobbies, which is traveling and the bruise under my right eye just says that I like boxing. And the last fight didn't go too well for me, but I wasn't too disappointed. It's still a learning experience, learning things. Uh, anyway, I hope we're all gonna have a great time in this class. I'm looking forward to meet all of you, and let's have fun. Thank you.